Oh my. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. It's a lake.
Yeah, I'll keep going.
Wow.
This guy's over there.
Oh yeah, there's someone behind you. Dang. There's all this mud right here. Just mud. We're not supposed to be driving right now, are we? Sheesh.
And the water was high. I can see by this crap that's in the road.
Yeah.
That the river is all the way to that lane is gone.
Yeah, you can see the water's taking over that lane.
It's taken over that whole lane, and that means that area over there.
You can see where the street is dark, but then you can see the mud is covering most of the street. I really don't think we're supposed to be out right now.
Well, we're just gonna go for a quick little drive and we're going home. This kind of reminds me of that one time when the water came over our curbs.
Yeah.
It was this high.
That's why I was like, I'm surprised at the
And the rain is not supposed to end before tomorrow morning.
Oh wow.
That's why they had to cancel.
Uh-huh.
Crazy.
And look right here, Diane, where there's no sidewalks and no infrastructure.
Oh my gosh.
It's just eating away.
Oh, did you see that,
Yeah.
Leah?
Oh my god.
Because that's going to be a big hole.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
going to be a sinkhole pretty soon.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Look at this over here.
Wow. Oh, the water's turning the corner. That's cute. It's meeting up with the water rushing down already.
And they were smart that they put these at least asphalt
Yeah.
Yes.
reinforcements,
like
because
berms
if not,
kinda.
that dirt would have been gone.
Yeah.
I bet it's a river over here.
Is that moss? Oh yeah, that's grass.
Look at that.
Mhm.
That's a storm drain right there.
Oh my
Can't
god.
absorb water.
Oh, it's the moss from that one. Or algae.
Let's go past and look at the homes the pads that
Yes, I'll
there are
go
going to
by
be
that.
no more. There's no more pads.
They're going to be like, again.
Oh my god.
This will be the
that
second time they're going to have to
Yeah,
fix them.
they're abandoned. No, I think they abandoned that.
Oh, really?
I haven't seen any trucks going there ever. Like,
Yeah, probably
since,
never have.
yeah.
That'll drive you to be bankrupt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no.
I'll
They're
drive over
having,
there.
after February, there weren't any like construction trucks there anymore, and there wasn't any. They took that metal thing away too. They allowed
Yeah.
it.
Yes, they did.
Buying houses right now because the loan rates are really bad.
Yeah. Now's a bad time to be building,
Yeah.
but they don't. Care.
With the weather the way it is, yes. Oh my goodness. Flooded. That's what that sign said.
Yeah.
Lots of dirt. They had a tractor. Mom and I came through here, and a tractor was out here
Trying to
fixing
scoop up.
some of the dirt because the dirt. Look at the trenches that are being built. The water. And then this is where the trenches were just coming. The dirt was just coming through. This is where that guy drowned.
And I saw a tree, Leah. It didn't have any leaves on it. It was kind of dead anyway.
Yeah.
But the water had taken it down because it was dead. There wasn't anything to hold it. There was no roots. Whoa.
They got to put a pipe there soon. Okay, I'm gonna go straight, and then we're gonna come around. You'll see the pads from the far side, and when we're coming.
These people are lucky they got their homes built right, when they did, just in time. Yeah. I bet their dirt, if they haven't put grass in, no, it's disgusting and muddy.
Yeah.
Some clean water to wash this car houses are low
Yeah.
right there. That's pretty scary for water to get down in here. Look at all the water that's right
And
here.
yeah, we've seen people with
That could
pools.
get
They
into
just
there.
got pools built.
Oh yeah,
So fun.
they could have mudslides.
Good time.
Their hillsides can just
Yeah.
gotta come down. He's driving around. Sheriff's driving around to see what's going on. Because there's gonna be some massive mudslides going on in different places.
Yeah.
And I told them I would drive them to the house. I don't want them to feel like
No, they already made it back.
Okay, they're okay.
Yeah, no, I asked them
Okay.
to.
Okay. That's rude if we don't offer.
Yeah, no, I asked them like a few times and they just kept being like, no, I want to walk.
Okay. I came out right
Yeah.
when they were going, Diane. Right
yeah?
when they were going, and I'm like, whoa. And it's like, okay, I got this umbrella. But this is not normal umbrella weather.
Yeah.
No, it was tough walking JoJo.
Yeah.
She liked it. She was just shaking it off.
Dog likes water when it's not overwhelming.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the pads. And the water, look at, they try to put some stuff up, but forget it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. There's like erosion on the sides. Oh, that's
Yep.
bad erosion.
Yep.
You can't have that. That'll
Yeah.
cause houses to sink
Right?
and crack.
Yeah.
So, oh
Yes,
my
yes.
God. That's millions of dollars again of erosion.
And there's trucks there, like they
Oh
were
my
going to try and
God.
fix it.
Yeah. Oh.
man.
Never
That's
mind.
unfortunate.
That's the way it goes.
Oh, well.
Actually, I'm going to go
It
to
was
the other one
pretty
down,
there.
down below. Then we'll go home.
That was a nice walk.
Yeah.
And they built the houses on it.
Tomorrow you guys should go for a walk once it stops. It's already stopped in San Diego.
Yeah, the storm passed through there already.
We're just getting
How
the
was-
tail end.
Yeah, how was everyone?
Okay, Levy was checking on us. She sent a message. I don't know if you got a message, Diane. She sent me a message.
No, I got a message from
She said, take care.
teachers. Allison and Delilah sent me, or there. We've got a thread going.
A lot of vegetation.
Delilah's son was like, I don't have to go to school tomorrow.
Well, anytime it's a free day,
I know.
it's like bonus. Mom
Right?
had to walk through this neighborhood to get home.
Yes, I did.
And maybe, look at that tractor's getting flooded with water coming down the hill. He had to park. He had to
The
park.
water
He's
is
been parked there.
back,
so loud.
They
Everywhere
have
there's
a
a
for
storm
sale
drain.
sign right here. I don't like that.
Mm.
That means they want to sell this property. The houses have already started over here.
Well, maybe it'll take another 8 years and we'll be gone by then.
Yeah, yeah. I think we might skid it just enough. Yeah, we might move in about 8 years. Just, you know, okay. And then you guys did your schooling here. You guys grew up here, but now it's time to spread your wings and decide where you want to go to school and where you want to live. Try to go to school where you want to live, though, because it's a lot easier to do that. Because you'll get an internship, you work your butt off and do everything you can. They'll hire you, and then you're
You'll plant
ready
roots.
to live right there.
Oof, look at all
This road's not the greatest
this.
over here,
Oh my god.
but
One of the things over there. The side of the road, the right side was really messed up. Or
it
like,
looks like a lake.
probably. This one gets really bad lakes.
Yeah, this is bad because all the water comes down the hill right here,
Yeah.
and it just puddles up. Looks like a lake.
They're not even starting it. They're not gonna. They're messed up
Oh
too.
my
They're not
God,
gonna
they're
start
really
building.
messed up. Look at that.
Oh
That's
my
really
God.
messed
They
up.
didn't know. They did
Yeah,
not know that this is what happens.
When it rains, we walk down here. There's a lake down here.
Right.
Yeah.
This is awful. Look at it.
They're not going to
really
build there. They
super-
can't. They're so dumb.
I wouldn't buy a house there. That's
No.
at the bottom of the hill. And right here, it kind of comes into a low, like that was just a low pitch right
They
there.
messed up. Those
Yeah,
people
A lot of
messed
water's
up.
coming this
Someone
way.
conned them.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go around
Usually
the
it's really
backside
dry.
Backside of Quartz Hill, then we'll go.
Look at that water
Look at
coming over the
this.
road. It's just all water. There it is.
saw it coming out of the houses.
Yeah.
It's pretty big going through the parking lot. That guy looks like, is he driving or did his car stall in the water? Oh, he's driving. He's gonna back up because he's nervous about going through. I'm gonna go through. And guess what? The sprinkler's turned on.
Yeah.
Here we go. It's pretty neat, guys.
Yeah, it's fun. Oh my god.
We just went up. The car doesn't fit.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
I heard that though.
Yeah.
The car didn't like it.
I felt that.
It got angry at you. See, we shouldn't.
And that
do
guy, yeah, that guy didn't go through. He turned
Yeah.
around.
That was
Yeah, that guy's probably looking at everything too. That was pretty deep.
yeah, that part of Quartz Hill floods like super bad.
And they don't have any basins over here for water. It just.
And they want to build on that too.
Ooh-wee. Oh, that's crazy. Look at this. Is just he's gonna keep going. Keep going. It's making a. Oh, it's rutting through there. You know how they don't have anything over
Yeah.
there? It's just
Yeah.
gonna take out all that dirt over there.
Oh, my goodness. Wowie, wow, wow. No school for Quartz Hill. No school for anyone
That
Yeah.
one's gone.
in Southern California tomorrow.
Look at that pole's holding water up.
I
Okay.
wonder how the classrooms are going to look tomorrow. I wonder, like,
I hope mine doesn't leak. I don't know if mine.
right? That's a
We're in
lot of
trailers.
rain.
Mom's in a new room too.
Oh,
She
yeah,
doesn't know
you-
how it reacts. Let's go this way. This is Leah and I just came through. Look at how it was a little stronger a little while ago. That wave because it was raining hard.
You hear? What is it? People are going surfing in this at Newport Beach.
Oh,
Wow.
my goodness.
Okay, Diane, look at this basin over here
Okay.
on my side.
Oh, my God. Just the road is... What are we
Look how-
doing out right now? There's... Yeah, it's completely...
There's no sidewalk on this side.
No, there's no sidewalk there. And there is a sidewalk there, and there's no sidewalk
No
right
sidewalk
now.
on this side either.
There never is a sidewalk there. But that other side has a sidewalk, and there's no sidewalk.
Now this spot is a little bit cleaner, wider. So
Wowie, wow.
into the bottom of the car.
Are we hydroplaning?
No,
Oh, okay.
that was turning to miss rocks.
Oh, okay, okay.
I didn't stop. This one is not
That
full yet. It's funny how this
Wow.
one is not full.
It's a lake.
It's a
but
little.
It's, not
It's
overflowing.
almost. It's close, but all these solar panels got clean.
Our
all the
solar
dust
panels
and
got
everything.
clean.
So it's a
All
lot
right,
of
my
water.
food is almost ready, you guys. This has been a 14-minute video.
I'm on my way home.